Well, hello everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. And we're down here with this really wonderful locomotive that we found not too long ago on the internet. And someone, I, I'm assuming they either repainted it or did at least re-decaled it and made it New Haven. And it is a wonderful side rod electric. I believe it's a German style locomotive, like Deutsche Reichsbahn or something like that, from like the 1920s or 30s. And the same seller was selling another locomotive that got, I guess, repainted and into New Haven. We're going to look at that next. So here we are, and here's the, I don't know if it's a big brother or little brother, but it's another one done by the same guy or gal, whoever, I don't know the real owner. Now, they did package this one better. They put it in a box, and yet this coupler broke off, which I put in my little tape snazzy holder, which there's a bunch of broken parts that came with the first one. There's that. Little bits of plastic. They just, and yet they took my advice with this one and put it in a box. And you know what? It's still kind of screwed up because it broke the coupler off. I don't know if this one works. All right, here we are with this other electric, and haven't oiled it, haven't lubed it, haven't cleaned it, just coming right out of the box. Oh, that's this one. That's the rolling one. Yeah, that's the brother or sister. It sounds like it needs some oil and cleaning. Hey, it's got some potential. All right, we got to clean it up, lube it. Same for this one. Let's look at them next to each other. Looks a lot bigger. It's only got 6-wheel drive. This one's got 12-wheel drive. Coupler mounting broke off. That coupler isn't flexible, so I'm going to have to put a piece of plastic with some kind of spring joint. I'll have to figure that out. Oops, don't want to knock the church over. All right. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye for now. This is Late Night Trains from Bobby's Hobbies.